Are we recording now? Are we doing a little recording?
Yes,
oh.
recording. Hey everybody, here's PascaLion, and today I'm joined with...
Hey, I'm Chris from Parrots, and yeah, we're here today to discuss a new project we're thinking about, doing a pilot episode for a series called PascaLion's Party People. What's the plan, man?
Well, the plan is that we're gonna explore the party culture here in Frankfurt, and more specifically the party crews and the cultural organizations, like the places where the party crews have the parties. And tonight we're gonna go to Parrots and Crows. Some friends of Chris's are having a party over there.
Yeah, so basically Parrots and Crows is like a bicycle shop in Frankfurt. They're pretty well renowned. They just moved to a new location in Betonstrasse near Konstantinwache. And we're going over there tonight because they're starting up a party series in which every second and fourth Wednesday in the month they inviting some of their favorite musicians, so DJs and stuff, and playing music and having some nice food as well. So we're gonna check it out and then yeah, see how the night evolves.
Let's go.
Let's roll. Hey guys, what's going on?
What's up?
We're just on our way down to the shop. We're pretty close now. We can see all the beautiful bikes parked out front. It's pretty cold though, yeah?
What's the shop called again?
Parrots and Crows.
Oh yeah, Parrots and Crows.
Parrots and Crows.
Very, very nice.
So yeah, we're here in the Betonstrasse and about to head in. Let's have a look. What's up?
Thank you. It's actually a pretty chill area. Pretty nice. I must say, it's really nice. There's even a screen there. Parrots and Crows, bike shop, Frankfurt. Let's go have a look.
Boom! Boom! No police bicycles here.
No police allowed.
Safety. Lots of space, really nice to set up.
Yeah, really nice setup.
Can you still hear the music upstairs?
Yeah, it's fine.
You can put all the different components and everything to use. Yeah. Different colors.
Tell us again where we are.
Yeah, that's Parrots and Crows.
Parrots and Crows, the finest bicycle shop in Frankfurt with the best bicycles and the most sexy workshops you've ever seen.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's go back up and party, yeah?
Let's go. however you say it. I don't know how you have to say it, but yeah.
Absacker.
Absacker.
Yeah, so we've reached the end of the night. I'm gonna head home soon, so we just thought we'd cap off the evening, what we've been up to, what was the highlights and all that stuff. So we were hanging out at Parrots and Crows. What did you think about that, man?
Parrots and Crows was a pretty sweet night. Like, I love the music and the people there, and they had, what did they have?
Really, really tasty lasagna, which you guys didn't get to see because we ate it all.
Yeah, we were too busy eating, we didn't film any of it, but...
Yeah, that just means you just have to turn up next time and get some yourselves because it was really good. Even have vegan lasagna and yeah. So that was nice, and it had some nice films on the wall and so many beautiful bicycles as well in the workshop.
The workshop was cool. We had a nice VIP like tour of the whole workshop. It was cool.
Yeah. Hanging out, met some nice people, had a few beers, and yeah, now we're by the last bit of the album before we head home. So yeah. Cheers, guys! Absacker!
Absacker! Alright, that was probably pretty good. Did you find some Clark's clothes?
Yeah, man, I found this nice jacket and I'm gonna take it home and put different buttons on it.
Put different buttons, really?
Put different buttons on it.
That's sweet, man.
Because I got these buttons what I want to put on. Nice, colourful selections, certainly. Have a good night, man.